and the late adopter. So guys, looks like Solana is not finished yet. Yesterday we said like, guys, this might be, it's overbought, you know, we might be in for some correction, but you know, today up 70% again. It's just not quite done yet. It's not quite done. Now there is, right now there are some kind of, you know, danger signals, you know, flashing, and the risk is pretty high. I'm gonna talk about risk a little bit when it comes, if you bought down here, like you know, you want to go as high as possible, of course. Maybe not even sell, you know, you just go high as possible, as high as you can get. That said, the risk once you are extended from the moving averages becomes pretty high. Right now we are getting really extended from the 10 moving average, and so some kind of a sideways movement up here or something like that gotta happen, so we can hit these moving averages eventually. That said, yesterday we did not have any kind of divergence or anything. We just said like we are extended, but you know, we had a pullback here, pullback to the 10 moving average, and right now explode away out from that as well. Now what's happening here is that we are getting the divergence, you know, from the top over here to top over here. We are getting something called RSI divergence. You can see the price is going up, but this indicator down here is actually going down, and it's actually going down. And usually this indicator and the price goes in the same direction, and if they're not going the same direction with the same strength, we say that, you know, that there is some kind of divergence or convergence going on right now. You know, technically it's convergence, but it's called, everybody's calling it divergence, whatever. Technically price is going up, their side is going down. This should pull down again. Right now, whether this is gonna be the big pull down or not depends. Let's see how the 1 hourly looks, and you can see on the 1 hourly we right now had double divergence. Price going up once, RSI going down once. Price going up twice, RSI going up. Not actually triple divergence. Three times has the price been going up and the RSI has been going down. And right now, it might look like we are going in for a bigger drop to the downside. Now I would look at this level down here, maybe this level down here, around 60 level. If we fall below 60 level down here, I think that would be indicate another move to the downside. Let's see how the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is up here. Maybe we're gonna put it up here. Yeah, 60, 62 level, give or take, one of these two. This should be support. We also got support up here, but it's a weak support. But these 60, 62 levels should be support. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame and where the actually big support is coming in, and that's all the way down here at 47. So big support is at 47, but bullish support towards the upside should be something like this over here. Right, going up here. You should not fall below 60 levels or something like that. If you fall below 60 levels, we might be looking at some kind of 47 levels, because still a little, technically we are not overbought on the we are just 75 on the weekly. On the daily we are at 88 RSI, which is pretty high for RSI to be at 80. You can see here the previous even this big move towards the upside never came above was that 84, but right now we are at 88 RSI. So big, you know, it is volatile, it is big impulsive move to the upside, so some kind of pullback should be expected. That said, like yesterday we said pullback should be expected, and then we went 70% more up today. So, you know, but that's how tech analysis works. You know, we are dealing with risk here, and risk is a very you know, it's not something to say like, yeah, you know, right, don't buy now, buy later or whatever, but it's hard to say whether it's gonna continue going up or continue up, but the risk for the downside is increasing, right? And that's what I want to say. Risk is increasing. It's like insurance, you know. You go and buy insurance, you know, you can crash with the car, you know, but the risk is always there, you know. If you drive on the highway, you know, the risk might increase. If you drive in your backyard, the risk is low, you know. So it depends. But right now, the risk for a you know, pullback is increasing more than it was yesterday. And if we continue going up, then the risk will definitely to the downside be even higher. But right now, some kind of pullback to the downside is expected. Because of these divergences, right? Because of these divergences, some kind of pullbacks. We're gonna see if it's just gonna hold maybe the 10 moving average down here, maybe these support lines, maybe even 20 moving average, and then bounce. How this is gonna bounce, we don't know. We don't know whether that's going to be 10, the moving average, or what it's going to be. But it's we are looking just to go down. The way I'm looking at it, I'm looking to go down to maybe 20 moving average on the 4-hourly and then bounce off of that. Daily also tomorrow this 10 moving average will be a little bit higher, so you know, we might also come to the daily 10 moving average. We're gonna see how this white line is actually giving us support. So if you start going something like this over here, you know, that can pretty much happen, and then you continue going up, right, with the moving average. So right now there is divergence, pullback is expected. 70%, very nice move to upside. Unfortunately, I don't know how sustainable this is, especially the 4-hourly is giving us divergences, the 1-hourly, the 4-hourly is giving us divergences, a little bit overextended and stuff like that. Let's see the volume. I haven't checked the volume. Volume has been going very nicely up here, but from this point, from over here to over here, the volume has actually been you know, going down. So, you know, the first move was legit, the volume was following the move, but after that it's going higher, but right now the volume is actually decreasing. So that means, I think it means we're gonna go a little bit down, That said, thanks for supporting me on Patreon, thanks for subscribing to the channel, support me that way. Come back tomorrow, hit the like button on the way out, and have a nice day. Tomorrow we do more Solana. Bye bye.